Hey, baby. Oh, that will break if you grab a glass or a plastic jar. Yeah, that one. That one's fine. That goes there. That goes there now. Oh, sorry. Are you standing on your own without noticing that you're standing on your own? Huh. First time I've seen that. That's way cool. Oh, hi. Sure. And why not, right? We're evolving as we commit mischief. What are you going for now? Not the barbecue sauce, kid. The barbecue sauce is my favorite sauce.
This is the biggest door ever. Let me hold it.
This is the biggest door ever. Oh, yeah, hey. Gonna make a lunge for the kitchen island. Oh, are you standing on your own? You are? Look at that. Oh, did you not notice? You're standing on your own there? Oh, we still are. Mango! Where'd the mango go? Oh, poor mango.
Eat that later.
Yeah, soon you won't even need to lean against that. Here, try just standing. Well done, kid.